to congratulate us for a very good job done. It is very important that we congratulate ourselves for a great job done. We have done very, very well. I think there's something wrong with my live video. The fun is na asama Akufo-Addo kan no omo maka no man yehu. In 2016 Akufo-Addo say obeye mampani na opese ye citizens are not spectators. Nti ye citizens na ye hwe ni chima no na ye kire say we nkoye we si wo ha we say we are the real winners of this election. Yen na ye win election no obi akabia wan win hwe. Omo tewa bibi nkoye omuntumi nka omo enwi ni hwe and Ghana for ayade ya adwuma den papa. It is not easy for so many MPs to lose their seats. It is not easy for about 60 MPs to lose their seats. And yet 60 MPs MPs of the ruling government, be a minister, they have all the resources, TV, they still lost their seats. It is not easy. It is a great job that we have done. We have done very, very well. Dear Papa. But for that, MPP was going to win easy. And they were going to think that you win elections with freebies. Yeah? 2016, Akufo-Addo wanche obi ahwe. In 2016, Akufo-Addo wanche nyoma wanche obi abibia o. He still won the election with a huge margin. He only promised, and he won the election with a huge margin. In 2020, they had all the money to share. They had given free electricity, free water, free education. The ministry is calling you to dash you money. Still, they struggle to win the election. And what Chirao said, Ghanaians are not into the freebies. Ghanaians are only looking for somebody who can fight corruption. That is what it shows. NDC and MPP, they have their core supporters. Where they are, NDC for me, MPP for those ones are there. And then we have the people who vote on issues. They make you who you are. And to those people were splitting because they were confused. And there are the people who believe that 8 years into Moment and Adunko. And yet 3 years I can another election to me 45%. To me. But for 3 years and go 45%. Because when you apart from 3 years, I dear Ghana for person or year on one casaka say young one no money here. Young citizens are not spectators. In terms of fighting corruption, he didn't fight nothing. In fact, he spent the 4 years fighting those who are fighting corruption. That's what he did. He spent 4 years fighting those who are fighting corruption. You understand what I'm saying? And you know, it is the people out there on social media. It is Manasseh Azuri. It is Kofi Bento. It is Franklin Kujo. It is the Auditor General, Martin Amidu. These are the people who have caused the MPP to lose. And no one say the omnimo. You see, the issue is that they are pretending as if, problem you know. Look. Move we are, move heavy. Media kasa bani is unnecessary. And our banocracy and this for 2008 and 2012. Akufo-Addo say move we are, then they are atika. And about the Donald Trump crossed America, so I'm not interested in the Riano. The fact of the matter is that so they have reduced drastically any war Sabanya or tip power. Just after 4 years, you can lose all of these. The reason is that Aban Weber power no and no be bring here Juma or Memuha. Institutions don't work. Aban Weber power no Ghana institutions in here Juma. Okay? Ghana institutions that are supposed to fight corruption. Yoko wouldn't be a Juma here. Yoko a Juma Baku pen a Yoko here. Yoko, omo the Cheche boys, Sakawa boys. Papa, a friends, why transfer on a money transfer, you'll be a send you sika. Oh, boys, no, me a friend saying, I didn't come, yes, it's almost browse you, so I don't even know what. Yoko, you more yarn, so Sika be able to account from person who can move. So, I'm between me and you, aha, Yoko, the human. Yoko, economic and organized crime unit of one. I also, almost check say, and you may be cause of them they don't do. Yoko is just for harassing people, Sakawa boys, young boys. CID, which you are checking out, go through. Criminal Investigation Department of Ghana Police. Human is also investigating crime na cause women, especially in government agencies. Check now. And I say, I see I declare no me view. Obi you be a trust at nigga for ye Miss Bell, I call ye we hey on the process here. BNI, yeah, the cheap political opponents. Human we are no political opponents like Yaba Power, Mungo Plus Ambra, Winwaba Power, Mungo Kevin Taylor Ambra, BNI Negumano on fighting corruption. Auditor General knows say you're politicizing no. Aye beans. Auditor General, you're so uncle leave. You're politicized or any other government will remove any Auditor General you put there. Special prosecutor, one can say Ghana, with Ghana everywhere. So okay, Ghana for moment for your green. The special prosecutor has run away. So now, as we speak, there is nobody in this country who is fighting corruption or is going to fight corruption. The only people that are left to fight corruption are me and you. We are the only people left in this country to fight corruption and to point out the wrongs in the system. And so you see, it is very amazing when people think that Martin Amidu is the wrong person. Ghana had the way a so obi start so kan kono e wa ban mu a e wo se nipa na wo man mu nyina ne di nipa na chi because obi ne ma mienu abrewa be 60 something years ene ne ma mienu ene ne nana we di be 7 months or 6 months omu ko wi aguro ye do koton sa one prison plus akwara ni nyina so when we are talking about corruption, everybody must be interested. Now, there are some people who think that, oh, we have won the election, and those who are talking about corruption, hey. Intimate Munyansa Kakra, Timothy Jimina. I hope we win the election. Many invitation to inauguration. Meko dinner, Ubekudi, Unyabi. But Jimmy, Intimate Akama Jimmy, I am no Unyabi, invitation Unyabi, young Frau. Ube what dinner, the baby, Yamekobi. And I'm a peduma so I'm a come home, maybe. They say, Cronum, who do my yaya within 4 years. They say, there, on pressure. What ya, Adia Unya, yes, or Unya, as with Jimmy, ya catch yourself. Yaya, you been your baby, ya catch yourself, was a hey, won't you ask it? Why do you, baby, Jimmy, now, made a young so, a young moment, Naka women can say. Say, I mean, wait, women can say, what do be chairman said, we can't see. MVP boy or moving election. Who ni mobia wo? Me mobia. Me a come in the mid da agugado or di 4 years upon the 10 years. I come in the mid da. But your conscience never it cannot be bought with material things. I was here green or mine who come. And before pressure your mom or ma'am ha and then your address will be we sure said they want to fight with anybody. No. What the idea Unya wa ban ya ba power mo we ni adi nyina ne say ye be truly omu. Nyankopon nyameba. When nya hwe trolling na unya en. 5. As for us, this country does not belong to us. He has won the election. We congratulate him. Why are there? We win the election. We lose his majority in parliament. Omu beye fetire ombe wie mu ase na beye ombenya majority in parliament no ko wie abano against NDC for ye beto abakra NDC for strong way but voter with your baby almost ho na abano kra ye nto what you say enti no we losing the majority in parliament nanka me pese NDC for win majority clear nanka see nu ketia ye speaker of parliament afi mo de kron no e Japan ade mba be fa ho ma ya hwe ne de see nu ketia ye speaker of parliament nanka ade na Ghana no ya chamienu executive no ho legislature no ho And we have to put pressure on the governments for mine to call him. And I'm in that. When you say, why better? When you better, bleeding, you are better. And when you do when you bring my brain. Look at how ministers are falling. It is a clear indication that the people are telling you that and everybody, the institutions that I named, Yoko, CID, BNI, Auditor General, Special Prosecutor, all of these institutions, the only thing that they are looking for is Kwame Plus to do something so that they will go and arrest him. They will never fight corruption that is in the system. They will never support the president to fight corruption. The president himself won't support them to fight corruption. It doesn't work. And so the people of this country must rise up and do it by themselves. And we have the people. Omodi Akufo-Addo sees as president, we will love to fight. That is our whole life. It's about fighting. Yeah, our whole life is about fighting. We will love to fight. So immediately Akufo-Addo basis no. Near congratulations Nana Abanwe the Edwesi so. His role in this country is to govern, and our role is to protest and to talk. That two things. Only the answer now the Constitution says we must combat corruption, and we will combat it. And, look, we have the people. We might tell a news conference, TPP news conference, a week election. By sending text messages across, we will put people on the street. And now, after that 1 year, the people have increased. So many people send us messages. Hey, TPP, we want to join. Hey, now the membership has increased and we are going to protect because the institutions won't work. So we are going to fight the corruption ourselves. Whether Akufo-Addo is the president or that one problem. And everybody who has a certain conscience must be part of it. Yes, and when we need today. When we know, you better know, I bet now. I go for 4 years, and you're not betting quick. I don't bet 100 years. By 2022, MB before move, we get the next flag bearer for my party now. Or you see Baumia, we see Alan, a bayan to quake, there's our party. What are the moments in politics? A bayan to quite bigger, Alan, but a bayan to go party. So, me problem with who is in power. Maybe the answer member pressure. I have to be a citizen of this country. I have to protect my taxes. So if you don't want to do that job, and you are happy that people should steal your money, that is your own problem. But the Constitution says that we are police bet me actual Matthias here, and the same Constitution says that we should combat corruption, and we have to do that. So I'm quite serious to buy any winner takes only one change. Like I been at the bar, Ben when say you're winning the young China. Now more change you'll be on the Juma or no, you're the Juma no man or so no, Namukata. When you have Kasape, when you have problem, that is at the end cost between 2021 and 2024. There, what was I when you didn't have motive to say a temporal? A temporal. Now, more MP before, when we say, Akufo-Addo, I had the papa be lasted. Or call that bone. A yana, or call yana, come, or call your boots, say yellow, say red. Come, and your bayana, I was in this year. Momo, there be a temporal because it's me for the doors from the party. With the head, baby, baba. When you MPP deal, it is only as some wagon. One say penalty, or best say go. They were born we are dang, BBC. He does or best say penalty, and as you bring a clear chance of a to Akini. It's a day and once I'm better, and before Muya is Adiana Muyano. So you didn't win anything. We have reduced your majority in parliament. We have reduced the votes that you got. We have put you through a struggle to win the election, and it has been done by all the people who were constantly accusing you of everything and talking about everything in the country. It includes the Manasseh, the Kwame Mensah, your friend is saying Franklin Kujo, your friend is saying Kofi Benton, everybody, and the ordinary people on social media who were against this, they voted against you. We are going to arise as the youth of this country to fight. Akufo-Addo then obey a popular opinion because he was fighting with Rollins. Because Obi was on the near the only bit with Rollins. Obi no memu ha or 2 about for free SHS and no much remu. Aban be no one free lights in the history of this country, free water. but still nkɔfɔ no pɛ sɛ ɔmo tu no ɛka dɛ mo nwie mu a against na me de nwie mu de ayɛ me dɛ ndc for mo so awia Nana pɛn ndc for Nana 2012 no ɛkyɛ sɛ 50 something vote sɛ 50,000 mo wie mo so mo awia nti me de ateka ɔmo awia ndc for so nkɔ court ɛsi but it doesn't end there. The fact that Akufo-Addo has won, it doesn't end there. Also, everybody must be part. But me, I can promise you, I can promise you something. Me, I can promise you something. Between 2021 and Akufo-Addo and 2024, there are two things that all of us must pray for. Say, Nana Addo abayano, ebekoye, and the issues we see in the past 4 years, no, it being CBO. These are the things that we have to pray for. Yen odie okonfoboni otil kro bi mu se kro be gunegu ono so timu bi enti yem mom paye se Akufo-Addo enim ngu ase anase na ban no menko yie yem pese ye be kasa ya bre enti ye yem anka this last year 4 years yake Akufo-Addo dey be ye be different in terms of corruption free no Ghana for akere say free na for nkusi ba dia Ghana for akere very clear so o say be ye free dey na wa problem Ghana for making it very clear say that free na your nonsense Ghana for actually say, omu pe abanya obe fight corruption because as a president, every budget will go where it has to go. The budget that is meant for agric will go to where agric ministry. For education will go to it. For health will go to health. What the problem is in this country is government spending and corruption. And the people of this country are looking for a government that has the will to fight corruption. And you know, Nana Addo say this second term, no, we do not have to talk la. We don't want to talk. We are wishing that Nana Addo abayano ebekoye sa issues na see first 4 years no ebefru ho. Nana Addo, you yourself, you have to have a legacy for yourself. You need a legacy for yourself, Nana. Wow, legacy. Say me Nana Addo danko Akufo-Addo be president no ade we nam de we Ghana for actually say free SHS no enye nom de to aba enti no say hwehwe ade bi a we a obiara de bebo wudin papa aha say free SHS no mo pepa anka ba no ka we ni be 54% 55% eno enka ho yifrim these 4 years I wish Nana well and I'm a bomb pie say we do not have to talk, but if it happens that we have to talk, that we have to protest, I can promise you that it is going to be very, very chaotic. We are going to put many thousands of people, in fact hundreds of thousands. No individual, no function dream say waba ben we say MPP winning to no more bet one and we and so as a movie real man with impudence, with arrogance. Yan can yoku ne sa special prosecutor and we Ghana ye kwa him for them. We will deal with it on the streets. I'm telling everybody, the constitution allows us to do that, and we have the people. And this is the era of social media. It is just text message away. And we have the people in your own in this country to help us to do that. We have the men, we have the people to finance it. Look, there are so many people in this country who are ready. If it continues like this, we are going to fight. That's not the fight I'm talking about. But we are going to combat corruption just as the constitution says. And you know, say what's your memu na enyoma bebre nkoye. Na so obi kan mo MP formina MP. Ohwe no say dabi mo constituency elections no konu wom dodo and I maybe we aba and obi antumi yahwe and say once of independent. The formina MP is the only independent candidate, I guess, in parliament. And he's the most powerful person right now. He is going to make the decisions. It means that what we have been saying every day is what we have to be preparing for 2024. We have to have many independent candidates in parliament. Even if we have 6 near to the big 6, we have to bring back the big 6. We must bring back the big 6. And these big 6, at least there should be 6 constituencies that are independent, that will be in parliament, that will fight for the right things to be done. In MPP 4, NDC 4, the Speaker of Parliament, Bani Akaten say Yempe. We want an independent-minded person. Or no mere Speaker of Parliament. Now, or no and leading parliament business. So many things must change in this country, and nobody must give up. One for me na MP no, ya pam no nim say ya no boni, ya pam no, ye gu n'animu ase, ya yese. When there be for me na MP no, ogina, he's the most powerful person in Ghana today. So nobody must give up. We have to make a name in this country. We have to save this country. Nobody must give up. Nobody must feel bad. The prayer is not for NDC to come to power, MPP to come to power. The prayer is for us to be able to fight corruption ourselves, irrespective of who is in power. John Mahama about power and corruption by war. Were we going to sleep to say occupy Ghana? John Mahama what power? Omu yedede sa Christian Council. Ombe yedede sa na John Mahama no corrupt. Ombe yedede sa John Mahama fee power. Akufo-Addo by no my yedi. Omo kasebi. Is that what we are going to do? So Akufo-Addo John Mahama win here. Nke no ano ya yedi. No. Whoever is in power, we must fight corruption. We must fight it. Everybody must be part of it. If you don't want to be part of it, you can go. But all of us must come together and fight. Because the institutions won't fight, the institutions does not work. And you see, if you are a very smart person, you know that from 2021 to 2024, anything that I do in terms of protest and everything, I will get many supporters. Because they will be fighting in MPP for who takes over. And NDC too will support so that the government will become unpopular. And at the end of the day, it will send a very good signal to the independent voter. So me, I'm standing there. I'm a very happy person. These 4 years, I'm going to come walk room, because look, at the end of the day, life is an eternal struggle. And I love the fight. If you say John Dumelo said John, and then one could stand a MP, I will vote a baby. Now we call a East Legon. I say I want the challenge, and I love the challenge. I love the fight. So we are wishing Nana Akufo-Addo well. We are praying that Obeya Ghana ye ama ye nyina ye ho atoye ne ye peno no ye bompa ye ma no. No say nkofo bi na Akufo-Addo obewu da bi sankwase asem no munya keka e jimi kasa e jimi Akufo-Addo wu a onkosi nsaman kwan wo obi abewu bi e jimi kasa ade e peso owu okrom ha e ye corruption wo bompa ye corruption ni ya hwehwe corruption ni yenkunu yentumi nkunu kura yan krepo no ntena wheelchair me we say ano abrase kakra because omu wiya sika dodo empanifo no wiya sika no dodo obi enkasa akwara koye onyi omu browse omu ye oye na client send no sika ba akopɛ na yoko tan tata no esu yoko to me nchi akonfo na wokum ha no omu ankasa da akonfo no nchi omu. We have to come together and fight it. That is what we have to fight. And no say ebom pai say ewu not Akufo-Addo yesrem kwatenten ma no. Yes, rest and Yakopon Hoba. Yes, rest say on your my Ghana, Krabeshe Mayan, Nina Jai Casano Bian. Now, anything less than that. It is going to be a very interesting 4 years. Very interesting. We have the people. When we put 100,000 people on the street, everything will cease, and we can do it. We do not want to do it. We wish we won't do it. We wish everything will be peaceful, everybody will go about their normal duty. But if the kind of things that happened in the last 4 years is going to happen, then it is going to be very, very interesting. I mean, you will be Antina. I mean, you will be Ayaguma. The best thing she will help you, Madam Wasi.